Today we're going to be talking about pens, specifically EDC pen, the best EDC pen out there. And it was actually inspired by a review I was reading. I was actually looking for small pens. Now let's just go into EDC and everything to discuss about it. EDC stands for everyday carry, which means that you carry not sometimes, not even most of the time, all the time. It has to be some kind of format that in which you will not hesitate to carry it. So I think those are three criterias that it needs to fit, be a perfect EDC item, and that is small, lightweight, and functions. If it meets those three criteria, then it could be a nice EDC item. So that automatically deletes these larger pens. Now you end up with smaller pens, and yes, I know that I don't have all the small pens out there, not on this table, but I still can do this review because it's an exercise in theory. In this review that inspired this video, the guy I thought was a bit too much. It was I think a 1-star review in which he was complaining about the small dual click and saying, comparing it to his Fisher Space bullet pen and saying that it's much worse. And I thought, oh, you're a bit crazy, that's a bit much, but he was right. So now hear me out. Let's go into the refills, and then now you're starting to understand what that guy means. Small, lightweight, all of these are small, lightweight, and there's a lot of small and lightweight pens out there, but what we don't focus on actually is the refill that those pens take. Now, that Big Eye design that the guy was reviewing on actually takes a small one, I think a D1 insert, and similar to this, the Zebra one, and they just basically, you can imagine how much less ink it takes. This looks like 1/3 the size. That means that despite you're looking at similar sizes, right? You can look at this, and this is similar size. The amount of ink that this holds is much more. And it's not just that, the style of this type of insert, this refill, is actually, the function is quite off the chart because it's a refill that works, you know, on wet paper. It works upside down, on a wall, in extreme situations, in outer space, the most extreme situation. Which means that the function of that criteria is fully satisfied, much more than these other pens. So what you end up with is a small, lightweight, high function item, which makes this, in my opinion, the best EDC pen out there. And as you can look, you can't get much smaller than that. Even the material of this, you can't get much lighter than this. And in addition to that, another pro, when you think about it, these things are cheap. And when I mean cheap, no, the better word would be affordable, because cheap implies bad quality. And it's not bad quality. When you take it out, another function, it's fully comfortable. This is a full-size pen to write with. You have that comfort of that, despite it being compact format. You store it. Awesome, right? Quality, the machining, get the texture of this. Not only that, let's see. This is the detail of their product. There's a small notch they put inside the O-ring, and that small notch means that when you put the cap on, the air has somewhere to escape. It's like the small details like that that makes this pen really great. So I think it's the best, without any competition, the best EDC pen out there. Let's just get the weight. 21 grams. Let's get the 97, about 10 millimeters. Compact and light enough, and awesome function. Of course, I know that this is not the best writing ink out there. You can argue it's one of the worst, but no matter what, works all the time. Really great product. If you guys EDC something else, you can comment below what do you think is the best EDC pen. I just want to say, like, to finish up, that even though you EDC this, it means that you carry it all the time without restriction. Doesn't mean it's your only pen to carry. If you know that you are writing for that day, you need to do a lot of notes, then of course you carry your full-size pen with your favorite refill. And then this is your backup. But no matter what, this is always on your person or in your bag. Okay, that's it. Agree with me or don't agree with me, you can comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah.